Hello, it's Muriel Simpson from Royal LePage NRC Realty. Welcome to 3964 Alexandra Road in lovely Crystal Beach. You're only a 10-minute stroll down to one of Ontario's most beautiful beaches. This home has it all. 2-bed, 2-bath, plus a few little surprises. Everything has been totally updated. There's nothing to do but relax here. Come, have a look.